Hi, welcome to Page Folding Plus. Today I'm going to try to make the beach glass Christmas tree and see how that comes out. I bought this from the dollar store, and the beach glass I bought from Temu and Amazon. It was kind of pricey. I thought it was a little bit pricey. I mean, it's beach glass. I guess it runs a little bit more expensive. I wanted to do this craft with my friends, but I'm not, because it's just too much money. So I'm gonna see how we do. Basically, you're just gonna push the glass in, kind of on a up push like this, and then I'm gonna glue it in. Now this one's a little too big. I'm gonna go up a little higher on that one. And I kind of try to sort a whole bunch of them out, and this way I could fill in maybe small piles, medium and large, and this way I can see how they go and how much. I have no idea how much I'm going to need to get it done, but I'm going to definitely glue them, and then I have seashells for the top and things like that. So, all right, so I'm going to speed it up, and we'll see how it goes. Well, that is going a little rough for me. Let's see. Maybe I bought too small of a styrofoam, but I'm gonna keep doing it. We'll see how it works out. And I bought some beads and lights to add around it. So far that's how it's looking. I think I'm putting them too far apart, but I'm gonna go back in and add more. I'll add smaller ones as I go along. Right here was easier because the glue heated up the styrofoam, so it was definitely easier getting the sea glass to go into the styrofoam. So you just gotta take this glue off. And I bought these tiny seashells from Amazon, and I put them on top. I just glued them on. And I might go back and fill in, but I'm gonna put the lights on and see how that looks. Okay. I definitely think the lights are cute, and I definitely think the reds look nice in there too. I don't know the top. I think maybe I'll find something else to put on top of there. Maybe a bigger starfish, or yeah, maybe like a bigger starfish. These little ones are too small. Definitely it's cute. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any suggestions about how I could have done it easier. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, have fun crafting. Bye.